Guys, I'm excited to introduce a new product available now on my eBay store. These are flush plate adapters for Johnson Evinrude Outboards. I make 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Small one fits the 5.5, 6, 7.5, 9.5, and 10 horsepower outboards. The 10 horsepower outboards that fit only go from year 1958 to 1963. On the medium plate, it fits the 1957 and prior 10 horsepower outboards, along with the 15 horsepower, 18 horsepower, 20, and 25. The large flush plate adapter fits the 28, 30, 33, 35, and 40 horsepower outboards, all prior to year 1984. I'm really excited about these plates because they eliminate the need to test run your motor in a barrel full of water. You can easily take one of these plates and hook them up to a garden hose, as I'll show you later in the video, along with demonstration videos of these plates being used on running outboard motors. What you get is a plate and 2 screws. What you don't get is this Mercury Marine garden hose adapter. I can't make this and make it cost effective, so you're going to need to pick this up as well. It is available on Amazon, eBay, Crowley Marine, all over the internet. They are not scarce at the moment. What I'm gonna show you now is, you can see that the plates are stacked on top of their representative OEM water intake screens. So what I want to note is I actually have this very hard to find OEM cover plate that actually is doing the same function as what I have machined. It's just thinner. But it fits the Mercury Marine garden hose adapter, like you can see here, and it was designed to do the same thing. So I say all that to say this is nothing new what I'm doing here, and I'm going to show you in the next video of where I test this out on just a lower unit, 9 horsepower, 9.5 horsepower lower unit, and show that even without plugging up the water intake screen on the gear case, and even the fact that this doesn't make a perfect seal and water from the hose squirts out the perimeter of it, you can still prime the water pump impeller housing and cool your motor sufficiently. All right, I have here a Johnson or an Evinrude 9.5 outboard lower unit. As you can see, this is just the lower unit, but I have the flush plate mounted here with the Mercury flush adapter already hooked up to the garden hose. You can see it is not, a tight seal. There's a little bit of gap there, but I'm going to show you that even with this not being a complete seal, not blocking off the screen down here, we'll still get water through the water pump whenever I spin my wrench. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on. Okay, so we can see here that we are getting water out of the top of the water pump, and as I turn my wrench, yeah, you should see it pump up. So we are filling the impeller housing area, even with all these leaks here and water coming out of the screen there. So as long as you have good water pressure, you don't have to block off or have this make a complete seal in order to get water through your motor. So next up, I'm going to show you, it's actually this plate on a 1956 Johnson 30 horsepower, where I have it actually just idling, and you can see water coming out the upper lower unit housing as it's cooling the motor sufficiently. You can see water's coming out nice. Idle's good. Well, I hope this helps people. Please drop a comment below. Make sure to hit that like button if you think this is a good idea. Subscribe to my channel. Go and buy plates. If you buy all 3, I'll cut you a deal on shipping. I'll work with you. If you have any questions, hit me up at thisoldoutboard@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.